In this video, I'm going to discuss about the views, and we can manage the views, we can save them, we can reload them, and the benefit of managing views is that across the different meshes, for example, we have the coarse, medium and fine mesh, and we want to orient the mesh figure in the same orientation as all three meshes. So let's say if I save the mesh, this preview or this view in the coarse mesh, and I want that the medium mesh and the fine mesh should be in the same way, so that I can compare them side by side in my thesis, in my report, or maybe in my presentation to the managers. So here is the option for the manage views, and before that, go to section plane and uncheck the box for the section plane 2, or just delete the whole option here. And then from the manage views, we have the add the view. So for example, if this is a view I want for my figures, for my images, and I want that my next meshes, which are the coarse, medium and the fine mesh, they should also be at the same orientation. So I just save this my view. So I will create a view by saving the current graphical view settings here. So this is just to add the view here. So this is a view 1 here. And then I have the option that I can rename it, I can delete the view 1, and also I can apply the graphical video to let's say I have the more than one views here, and the second view, this is my third view, let's say, and this is my, let's say, fourth view. And this is my fourth view, let's say, which is zoomed in the smaller pipe at the corners. So I have all these views with me now. So now let's say I just change the orientation to random location or random view here, and I want to take a look on my mesh from the view 1. So click on apply. From view 2, click on apply. From view 3, let's say, click on apply, and view 4, choose a view 4 and click on apply. So I will get the exactly same view by clicking on these views. And if I export these views, which is to add, or I can I can modify the views. And here is to import the views, and here is to export the views. So let's say if I export the views, and I call this one as my mesh views for the mixing elbow geometry, and save it. So let's say if I delete these all views, and I'm going to open the new mesh file, which is, let's say, medium mesh file, or I'm generating the medium mesh file from this mesh, and I want to keep the same view. So I can save the views from this mesh file, which is a coarse mesh file, and then just load them or import them from that saved state. So I can load them, and I can exactly get the same views with me right now. So here we have these views with me, and again if I click on let's say it's view 4, apply, and I can get the exactly same views. So in the next video I will show you how you can save the images. So if you want to compare, let's say, the coarse, medium and fine mesh at the same region, at the same zooming settings, so you can do it now with these settings.